What's up, fam? Today we're going to be talking about the Mojomojo from TC Electronics. This pedal is so cheap. So for all of you beginner guitar players out there, this is the way to go. And this pedal caught my attention when I was watching an interview with Paul Gilbert, the legendary Paul Gilbert from Mr. Big. And he was talking about how this is one of the few pedals he's found out there that does not suck the low end out of your tone. Overdrive pedals are notorious for doing this. So let's get into it. Here we go. So this is off. All right. So let's do neck pickup. That's the clean bridge humbucker. There we go. Now I've got it set where I kind of like it. So let's do that. And boom. Pretty good, right? Let's see, we add a little bit of slap back. Let's take you to Chuck Berry Town. Nice. Okay, that sounds pretty good. Highs. I like the highs. Keep the lows where they're at. And let's see more gain. Okay, so the highs are definitely responding to the increase in the gain. You can play a solo with this thing. Sorry for all that sloppiness. I'm going to cut it out. I'm just going to stick to chords now. Okay, so let's take that drive down. Just kind of like a boost kind of situation. Not really hearing much, but there it is. Very warm. That's a G. Add a little bit of chorus to that, and then slap back. Just kidding. Okay, that's the Mojomojo from TC Electronics. I think it's a lovely pedal. There's also this voice button, but I think it's broken because it doesn't do anything for me. Check it out.